This is lesson 47, and it is simplifying mixed measures. So when they say mixed measures, they mean like feet and inches, or minutes and seconds, or yards and miles, or something where you're kind of measuring the same thing, but with different units. So here I'm measuring length, here I'm measuring time. So let's look at example 1. They say 5 feet 4 inches equals how many inches? So you kind of have to know how many inches are in a foot, right? So I know that 5 times 12 inches in 1 foot, 5 times 12 is 60. So that tells me that in 5 feet there are 60 inches, right? And then I have those extra 4 inches. So 64 inches. So I took how many feet I have, and then I multiplied it by how many inches are in 1 foot. Let's do the same thing with minutes. I have 1 minute and 15 seconds. So I need to take how many minutes I have, and then I figure out how many seconds are in 1 minute. 60 seconds. And then I add on my extra. So 75 seconds. Make sense? Okay, this last one is pounds and ounces. So I don't know if you know for sure. Let's see, let me see if I can scroll over. The melon weighed 3 pounds, 8 ounces. How many ounces did the melon weigh? So they give you the information that 1 pound equals 16 ounces. You may not have known that, but it's right in the explanation. It's one of those things that'll come in handy, but you might not remember it easily and quickly. All right, so I'm going to take how many pounds I have, and then I multiply that by how many ounces are in 1 pound. So I just said that's 16. Okay, so I can't do that in my head. I'm just going to come right over here. 3 times 6 is 8. Carry the 1. 48. And then I also have that 8 ounces to add on. 6, carry the 1, 56 ounces. So 3 pounds, 8 ounces equals 56 ounces. If I just wanted to put it in ounces. Example 4 is a capacity problem. So I have this nifty little drawing, and you've probably seen something like it before, but this is Mr. Gallon, and Mr. Gallon has 4 quarts. So 4 quarts equals 1 gallon. There's also pints and cups, and we'll get to that a little bit later. This is another way to draw it. So there's a big gallon sign outside, then there's 4 quarts in that gallon. And then you can do the pints and the cups too. But for this one, the problem says 1 gallon plus 1 quart. So I need to know my 1, and then I want to know how many quarts are in 1 gallon. Well, I just said it's 4. So 4 quarts plus 1 more quart. And I have 5 quarts. So does that make sense? Pick how many gallons you have, multiply it by how many quarts are in the 1 gallon. Pick how many pounds you have, multiply it by how many ounces are in that 1 pound. So do the same thing for all of those. Shouldn't be too hard. Good luck.